Why do we travel? You see, when we travel the world, it's not really for the places. It is to be reminded that the world is bigger than what we know. To feel it and become part of it. You see, we go for the feeling of being completely lost and somehow exactly where we're supposed to be. So I hope one day you take that first step and find yourself in places unknown. I hope you stand on the highest peak and watch with wonder as an ember sky. I hope you get to witness the kindness of strangers. But above all, I hope you meet the people you call home. And that you be reminded that it really feels to be alive.